TOAUTO 6Qts wax melter.
You can do a batch of commercial production. You can also DIY it downright.
Large capacity 6Qts wax melting pot. Precise temperature control. Dual digital display. Fast melting wax. 6 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius temperature control. Heating cold pouring spout. Efficient wax flow. No more wax clogs. Smooth bottom design. How to make candles using the 6Qts wax melter.
Step 1. Open the lid and add wax beans. Step 2. Cover the lid, turn on the power, and set the temperature. Step 3. Wait for melting. Stir every 5 minutes. It can be melted in 15 minutes. Step 4. Spout moves really nice and the wax flows great. Step 5. Color the wax liquid. Pour into molds. Step 6. You can do a batch of commercial production. You can also DIY it downright. Step 7. Take off the candle mold.
Anyone can make candles easily. Tips for using wax melter. Before use, consult manual. Place on stable surface. Keep away from flammable objects. Dry bucket walls before pouring wax. During use, keep children and pets away. Stir every 5 minutes. After use, pour out the remaining wax. To address blockage, set temperature to 212 Fahrenheit degree, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then reopen faucet. Cleaning instructions. Drain wax, add dish soap water to pot. Clean pot walls and bottom. Drain water. Wipe pot dry. Upgrade your candle making setup today with TOAUTO 6Qts wax melter.